What's up, guy? I really hope you're having fun, and today we're going to study about PHP operators. And let me tell you that PHP is a very important language which you have to learn and grab some important knowledge. If you want to go in the web development, it's very important for you to understand about PHP. Right, so let's start today about PHP operators from the beginning, obviously. PHP operators. PHP offers us a range of arithmetic operators. The number one is addition. You take two PHP variables, you can add them. Let's say, or you can take one variable and do another PHP operation on it. That is, you do x plus 2 will result in 4. Okay? You can do subtraction. Again, you can do it on one variable or you can do it on two variables. You can do multiplication, you can do division, you can do modulus, and you can do increment, and then you can do decrement. Okay, so let's start programming. Let's say $x is equal to 3, right? Now we can do a one variable operation. Okay, so you can do one variable operation. You can do let's assume first $x is equal to 3. Then when you do x plus plus, it's the same as x is equal to x plus 1. So take the initial value of x, increment it by 1, and then store it in x. Right? Next is $y is equal to 4. You can choose another operation. You can choose division. Okay, and $y divided by $x will take the value 4 divided by 3. Now this will yield you a decimal, of course. If you want to learn more about how to round up, you go to the PHP manual, php.net, and I'm sure you will learn how to approximate data, that is 4 divided by 3. I repeat it, php.net will show you how to approximate data. Right? Otherwise this will give you a decimal form directly. Or you put 4.0 divided by 3.0, same as in Python, if you want to be more sure about it. Right? And obviously you can echo $y to get your results. This is something that we have already learned before. These are just basic. What we want to apply is to make a login system using PHP, connecting to databases, retrieving the data, updating, registering a user from forms that we have studied at HTML. I repeat it again, if you have not learned about HTML basics, go and learn about HTML first. The videos are just right on my channel. A complete advanced course on HTML, starting from the basic, frames, simple frames, and much more. Right, so these are the main arithmetic operators. Right, so same as increment is plus plus, you can get 6, minus minus, you can decrement the value, right? This is the same as x is equal to x minus 1. Again, some more assignment operators. When you have equal to, x equal to y means x get the value of y. Plus equal to y, this means that x is equal to x plus y. Minus equal to x minus equal to y means x is equal to x minus y. X is equal to x multiplied by y. X is equal to x divided by y. X is equal to x concatenated with y. We have done concatenation in strings. Now this percent sign is a remainder. We call it the modulus. If I take 5 divided by 2, the remainder is 1. 10 divided by 8, the remainder is 2. 10 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. Right? Similarly here it's x is equal to x modulo y. These are the comparison operators. Comparison operators, you will be using it when you do control statement. So I'm going to introduce it just over here. Otherwise you can try something like, you can say, let me show you just. You can echo 5 is equal to 8. boolean value of it. Let us try it if actually I got these tables from W3 School over here. You can get it from there. Otherwise you can just look at my video and note it down. Never mind. Okay, so let me go to syntax folder. I've shown you how to connect to localhost and install exam. Still, if you have some difficulties, you may contact me. Okay, so here it's not displaying it. Otherwise you can store $x is equal to, just put a bracket. Sometimes it may function and sometimes not. Let's try it. Okay, so it is not going to print false, so you have to pass through an assignment operators. Never mind. Let's continue now. So this is is equal to, it returns false because 5 is not equal to 8. If you do 5 not equal to 8, this will return true. Obviously 5 is not equal to 8. Is not equal, you can use this also. Greater, less than greater sign, greater than, less than. This is for greater and equal to, this is for less than and equal to. These are the logical operators. That is a boolean. We'll be discussing about the boolean when we do actually control statement. Okay guys, since you will have to deal with Boolean algebra later on, let me give you a quick knowledge about Boolean algebra. So what is the Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra is actually used for conditional purposes and control statements when you have different flow of your program. Okay, so when I do P and Q, sorry, this one should be same as C, the O, or you can use single ampersand. When I do P and Q, it's the same as multiplication, right? So when I do P and Q, whenever one of the true value, so P has a true value, false, true, true, false, true, false, right? So whenever P or Q has one false value, the whole statement will be false, right? Only for n. So here we have false, so it will be obviously false. Here we have false, it will be obviously false. Here also we have false, it will be obviously false. And here we have true. So for only one condition it will be true when both of them are true. Or whenever one of the condition is true, that is one of the statement has a true value, true, it will be true. True, 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 and this one false. Not it reverses a true value. False, and then true. If you have done digital logic or any digital electronic course, you will know obviously about it. Now we can do more about it. P, Q. We can find P or Q, not P or Q. To get not P or Q, first of all, you need to get P or Q. The U is the same as O, right? Don't use U in the control statement, use this relational operators, right? So true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. P or Q, true, 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 and this one false. Now to get not, you just reverse all the true values. So we have only one condition true. These are about the logical operators. So when you do x less than 10, this is going to return x is 6, so 6 is less than 10, true. Y is greater than 1, yes. Y is greater than 1, that is, it's much larger. It's going to return true here. True here. When you do and, I said whenever both of the conditions are true, it's going to be true. Here both of them are false because x equal to 5, it's false. Y equal to 5 is false. So both of them, when you do O, it's going to return false. The not operator, if I say x equal to 5, so it returns a false. So when I put a not with it, it's going to turn it into true. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.